Sorry.
Screw it.
Yeah, we're gonna screw
Which
it.
part we
That's
got?
it.
Which part we gonna screw in first? Top part?
Really, doesn't matter.
A normal one. Yeah.
No came prepared.
Yeah, it's in my pack. I forgot. All right.
I can't get the other one in. Oh, what's wrong?
I think one is drawn and fixed, and I think it should show, huh? So
Oh.
it should show that it pushed the bumper up.
Oh wow, it looks good. What the fuck? It looks really good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they feel pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Need to,
It's pretty good. What the hell?
I need to do a little bit right here. A little bit on the side right here.
I'm really happy with this part. I don't know why. It's really good. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I just need a little bit here.
Oh yeah.
A little bit
Oh,
on
yeah.
this side right here. Look at this side.
Oh, that's over there, same thing?
A little bit only. If you
Oh, yeah, a little
mine's
bit
more
right here, yeah.
gap, though. Mine's more than yours.
Yeah, just a little bit, but still a little bit.
Yeah. Not too bad. Pretty
What the
good.
hell? What do I have an
But they-
extra screw?
Yeah, the young one.
Oh, is it for the bottom one, huh?
Yeah, the two on the bottom. But I
Oh,
don't want to drill it yet.
no need, right?
So I can take this drill it. More.
More this side.
I think that's straight, right?
Yeah, should be straight. I mean, unless I fucked up, I don't think I did.
Yeah.
What you need?
Need help
For what?
installing the fucking wing.
Find the wing out?
They're drilling in these areas. I already drilled.
Oh, okay.
As you can see, the new hole right there. The old stuff is that's the old hole.
Okay. And we're gonna put it up there. That thing right here?
Huh? Yeah, but hold on.
The fuck wasn't it like white?
No, that's the new wing.
Oh.
New wing's black.
I was like, what the fuck wasn't it white?
Okay, so we'll put the screw through here. The long screw go on the back ones.
This one?
Stupid, not retarded.
That's how I tried to put my hand.
Wrong way, Lee.
The other way, yeah. There we go. There we go. Wing slide forward.
Put it on top. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, oh, yo.
Okay. Now we're going to do that.
Hold on, Lee. Have a little bit. I want to get my nail. I want to get my screw through here.
Screw yours in.
No, I can't put the fucking wing on, bro. Oh.
Hold on, let me come over there. Let me see.
Let me try to put it on.
Lee's already hung the trunk. Hold it. You guys drank?
What the hell? I was fresh.
Yo! What happened? Both of my screws are on. What do you guys think of it?
Look good. Look good.
Hey.
That thing look cleaner than no table. Look cleaner than no. What about it? Bro. Nah, dude, remove that shit, man.
Move what?
Move the fucking tags.
Yeah, I am, but like, right now,
Nah, do it right now.
I'm gonna keep it on there just because my car already look like ass anyway. I'm gonna keep it on there.
Nah, man, it look cleaner
No,
without
bro,
it.
when I'm done with my car, I'll remove it, bro.
Nah, remove it
I'm
right
planning on
now.
removing this shit and this bullshit, you know?
This bullshit. Remove it right now,
Shit,
bro.
ass as fuck. I wanna remove this. I'm gonna just keep this. I don't wanna keep the
That's what
logo.
I'm saying, man, just remove it right now, man.
No, I'm gonna put a Colorado logo on this, bro, in the future.
right here.
Yeah.
Oh, you did put it on.
Yeah. Look at it. Everything.
Looks clean as
Move
fuck.
back and look at it.
Looks good.
Alright. It's just smooth as fuck too.
It's just gotta be the matching color now. But
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make it black.
Super glue it.
Super glue it.
You never take it off.
Nah, you can't, bro. Just get the shovel it up, bro. Gotta rip it in.
No, man.
Yeah, no, just add it, bro. Cause you already got this, right? You got these, you got the wing, you got that part, you need this.
Do I need it though?
Yes.
You might as well.
Okay, go all out.
Go all out.
Start balling.
Why about it? Everything? That car is stacked as hell.
Slow as fuck.
What y'all do, bro? Fight zombies? Like the fuck?
Look at
Put a
armor.
turret on it, bro.
I mean, it doesn't look too bad.
Nah, bro, you gotta put an engine gun.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad.
It looks pretty good, man.
You gotta put one of those engine machine guns, bro.
For real.
It's looking goofy as hell.
It's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
This actually doesn't even look that bad.
Yeah, looks good. Just hopefully, you know, when it hails, it doesn't go away.
I think it'll be fine.
That'll be fine. The wing might be gold. Fine. You can do it on the highway because I'm.
Yeah, but your Mustang mad loud though.
It is mad loud.
Yes, I'm gonna be running that shit 4 in the morning. Wake everybody up. Let's go.
Like, why the fuck is your Mustang screaming, bro? You got a problem?
AK-47 going off.
No, just Mustang just be screaming for no reason. Like
My
the
God.
fuck?
Bro, I'm barely stopping on it. You barely
Yeah.
stopping on it.
I want to take it for a spin, but
It's dead now.
It's dead now. But hopefully, if we do get it fixed, it'll be fixed up.
Yeah,
in,
but
like,
yeah, you need to get on that like soon because your car looking goofy as fuck right now. It start looking pretty bad now too, so you know.
Yeah, I ain't no bitch.
Chip down the road, he died, but he ain't no bitch.
Like give me my tombstone.
He left us a bit early, but he ain't no bitch though. That's why he left early. What do you think of the tail?
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good, right?
Screwdriver.
You gotta get that, bro. You gotta finish. Why did you not buying it yourself? You should have bought it.
I didn't think I needed it. I mean, Pink said it looks pretty good without it either, so.
He's capping you.
He's not. That's the first thing he said. He said it looks pretty
I
good.
agree. See, he agreed. He's capping.
That looks good. Got my gun though. Yeah.
You can hit the bumper too. Okay, I got my side out. Okay, there you go.
So it's not a phone battery. It's suicide.
It's mass suicide.
Manslaughter.
What's going on? Taking out the tape.
Off the side,
Yeah, pretty good.